Up for auction is an FPi-600 Folder Inserter. This is the smaller office-based one. We'll do 2 to 4 sheets into a number 10, collated. It'll also do up to, I think, 5 sheets into a 6x9 plus an insert. You could do a number 9 back here, or a buck slip, or a pre-folded insert. I did try to order feed tires for the envelope feeder. I could not get them in time. I'm still working on it, but I'm selling this as is. It will insert, it will function, but it definitely needs a service call, or at least those rollers, which you could probably get. I can give you the guy where I buy them from. I've just already put a good bit of time into this and don't have that much more time to spend on it. Super clean. It's got 48,000 on the meter, which is kind of high for this little machine, but not too bad. The rollers look good. Everything looks clean. This is me was doing calibrations. This is the same as a Neopost DS35, a Formax FD6102, and of course the FPi-600. It has a, as you can see, this is where you put your sealing liquid if you want to seal, and then it will seal. Everything feels good. Everything looks good. Nothing's like wonky. The rollers, fold rollers look good. Everything seems to function except that feed on the envelopes, and there's no other way to test it. Just full disclosure, I'm selling this as is. You get the drop tray and the stacker and everything else. It goes on a pallet. Should be able to ship freight anywhere on the East Coast for under $300. Anywhere on the West Coast for $350, $400 is usually what I tell people. But freight's been coming down lately. Also have the parts manual and the service book for this. I'll show you the serial number. So the way that we tell when these were made is by that right there. 2015 serial number, but these sit like the dealers buy 20 of them and they put them out. So this went into service probably in 17 or 16, and nothing's changed. In 19, they came out with the FPi-700. So I know it's not that old. Very clean, easy to work on. You would only have to take all these out, the envelopes out, and it's 1, 2 screws, 3 springs, and then you replace the feed rollers and the feed separator fingers. It's like a kit. It's a 90,000 K kit. I think it's a couple bucks. I can get you a price on it. I just don't have time to play with it. I don't think anything else is wrong with it. If you have any Dex Imaging near you, they work on the FPi series. Like I said, Neopost, Quadrant should work on these too, even though it's the other brand. I'm just going to show you real quick that it will pull and insert. That time it didn't pull and insert. Maybe the envelope was flapped. Try one more. There you go. I'm using scrap paper and old envelopes. You can see that's good. Yes. Let's go home. Let's do a new job. No envelope since it's doesn't like to pull it. Next. Letter. Next. Automatic. Letter. No letter. None. We'll do a letter fold. All right. And then start. Go back to jobs. Oh, wait, whoops. Here's another number 10. With that, we'll do one more test real quick where we go put a couple sheets in the second feeder so you can see it collate and pull one. you can see here, it's got 2 sheets. See it? See if we'll do another one. Maybe just by filming a video, I fixed it. Now, I do know the envelopes stick. It's not the envelopes. It's definitely needs the 3 feed tires and the 2. It's like a feeding kit. They probably sell it. You probably get the feed rollers, the 3 feed tires, the 3 nips, and then you get the feed roller back here too. So you probably get all of it in the 90K kit, and I'll get you the part number for that. But like I said, it's super clean, super easy to maintain, doesn't take up much space, cheap to ship, great way to get started in direct mail in your office. And like I said, I'm selling this as is only because I have so much stuff to move. We are maxed out. We're at a busy time of year. If you're looking for any specific equipment, let me know. Reach out. Questions, comments. I support you guys because you guys support me. Good luck. Happy New Year. Let's get it.